Hi, it's Jane here from Avoda again with another video for you all. This is a really quick one on how to update or add in an account. So this is where if you're reconciling something, you will apply it to a particular account just so to see where you're spending or where your sales are coming from or your revenue is coming in. So I'm in the demo company here, and I'm in the chart of accounts. So to get to this section, you would want to go to accounting and then chart of accounts. And then you get this screen with all your accounts. So if you want to add in a new one, all you need to do is go add account, and then you need to fill out all these details. Now we want the account type. Now I wouldn't mess around with assets, equity, and liabilities. I would recommend you talk to your accountant or bookkeeper if you're going to be adding in assets, equity, or liability. For me, in my business, I often add in more expense accounts or revenue accounts, so I can work out where my money is coming from exactly, perhaps what type of item I've sold, or if I'm getting extra income from renting an office space, for example. That would be other revenue rather than sales as such. And same for expenses. So you've got direct costs or general expenses and overheads. So it's always a really good idea to have multiple expense accounts so you can see where exactly you're spending your money. And often the chart of accounts that comes with Xero doesn't have everything that you need, and it's always not recommended to put things under like general expenses because it just gets messy and out of hand. So always a great idea to have multiple expense accounts specific to your needs. So I'm just going to demo and adding in an expense account. So you would go expense, and then you need to pick a unique code. Now, if I pick a number that's already been taken, that's going to say it's not allowed. All right, so what I would normally do is have a browse at all the numbers that are in here, and you can see the type in the middle here. So you see we get down to the 400s and we're in expense. All right, now these are generally grouped alphabetically. So let's say, for example, I want to add in an expense that is, let's say it's printing and stationery is here, but let's say it's just stationery. So it's S, so I'm going to pop it in. Even though that's between wages and superannuation, I'm actually going to pop it in just under office expenses and rent because they're kind of related to each other. So we might go 462, for example. So let's say we want to separate out printing and stationery. So let's make stationery 462. You can add in a short description here, and this tax rate you can select. It's GST on expenses or GST free. Generally, if you're registered for GST in Australia, it's going to be GST on expenses. And then extra things here, like if it's an account you want to watch, show it on the dashboard. Generally for an expense account, you're probably not going to enable payments to the account. And over on the right here, it does give you a little explanation of account types if you want to have a read of that. So I'm just going to save that. And also it's good to note that when you select this tax rate here, it's never set in stone. So even though we put GST on expenses, obviously when you go into creating a bill or reconciling, you can manually change that anytime you like. So we would go save, and that's it. You should see that account that account is there now. So that is all you need to do. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps me. And also give us a thumbs up as well. And if you have any suggestions or need any guidance, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment on the video with any questions or any other recommendations or videos you might like to see. Thank you.